According to Sellfy.com, the 11 most profitable niches for Instagram are travel, beauty, fashion, health and fitness, lifestyle, parenting, business, music, photography, food, and animals. And in this video, I'm actually going to reveal the best affiliate programs for Instagram. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal the best affiliate programs for the most profitable niches for Instagram. So make sure that you watch this entire video to learn which affiliate program is going to be right for you. Alright, so #1 in the travel niche, we have Booking.com, and Booking.com can pay you up to a 40% commission. After Booking.com in the travel niche, we also have TripAdvisor, and TripAdvisor can actually pay you a 50% commission. After that, we have beauty, and within beauty, you can make commissions 10% in fact, with a 45-day cookie window with Avon. And then we also have the Ulta affiliate program, where they offer a 30-day cookie window and you can receive up to 5% commission. After beauty, we have the fashion niche. With fashion, you can actually receive a 20% commission with Nordstrom. And if Nordstrom doesn't work, you can use the program ModCloth, where they'll actually pay you up to a 15% commission. All right, so now let's jump over to the health and fitness niche. Within the health and fitness niche, you can use the Nike affiliate program. I actually created a video about a week or two back that talks about the benefits of the Nike affiliate program. And with that program, you can receive up to a 11% commission. After Nike, we have Body Spartan Fitness. And with that program, you can receive up to a 10% commission. After the health and fitness niche, you can jump into the lifestyle niche. And within the lifestyle niche, there is a program called Blueprint and the Blueprint Affiliate Network. You can actually make up to 75% commission with that affiliate program. And then another option is Amazon. Amazon's always a good one to fall back on. And with Amazon, you can receive up to a 10% commission. After lifestyle, we have the parenting niche. And within the parenting niche, you have care.com. So like babysitting, things of that nature. You can receive $15 per sale or $1 per lead. And if care.com doesn't work for you, you could actually use Our Family Wizard. And with that program, you can receive a 25% commission. Now, these affiliate programs are based on the 11 most profitable niches over on Instagram. So if we continue on, I picked Bluehost because with Bluehost, you can receive up to $100 per sale. And just about everybody needs a website, so that's pretty versatile. And then after that, I like ClickFunnels because they offer 40% reoccurring commission, and it's a low barrier to entry. You can get people in on the free plus shipping book. Those books are usually $9.95, and there are a ton of upsells on the back end, plus the reoccurring commission, so you can make pretty good money. After business, we have the music niche. Now you can join the Sam Ash affiliate program and make 10% commission, or the Guitar Center affiliate program and make 6%. So that's for the music niche. After that, we have the food niche. So all those images on Instagram of people showing you their plates at the restaurant, you could potentially monetize that with the Home Chef affiliate program, where you make $10 per sale, or the Sun Basket affiliate program, where you make $20 per sale. So that's can be a good opportunity. And then finally, we have the animals niche. Now, the best affiliate program is probably Petco, where they'll actually pay up to 4% commission. And then after that is Brain Training for Dogs, and they offer up to a 75% commission. Now, those are the 22 affiliate programs that are going to be best suited for Instagram. Now that you know the 22 best affiliate programs for Instagram, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.